Top 10 richest musicians in Jamaica and their net worth. With the past year having wrapped up, it's always fun to see if the list of top 10 richest musicians in Jamaica has changed or completely shifted. The struggle is real, and lots of artists pay their dues and never break through into the mainstream. If you want to make the leap, get ready to become a marketer on top of writing songs and playing instruments like the following top 10 richest Jamaican musicians. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. I'm Alex, and if it's your first time joining me here and you want to learn more about Jamaica, consider subscribing to the channel and click the notification icon so you never miss an update. With that said, let's look at the top 10 richest musicians in Jamaica. Number 10. Anthony Moses Davis. Born August 22nd, 1973, and better known by his stage name Beenie Man, he is a Jamaican reggae and dancehall singer. He is referred to as the world's king of dancehall. His net worth is US $3.7 million. Number 9. Mark Anthony Myrie, Buju Banton. Born July 15, 1973, he is a Jamaican dancehall, ragga, and reggae musician. He has recorded pop and dance songs, as well as songs dealing with socio-political topics. Though incarcerated, his net worth is US $4 million. Number 8. Max Alfred Elliott. Born. Number 7. Damian Robert Nesta Marley, Jr. Number 6. Kishan Anderson. Born February 3rd, 1990, and known professionally as Sean Kingston, he is a Jamaican-American singer, songwriter, rapper, and record producer whose first album, Sean Kingston, was released in 2007. He is the youngest on this list. His net worth is US $7 million.
Yo, what up, man? It's your boy Sean Kingston, the team president.
Number 5. David Nesta Marley, Ziggy Marley. Born October 17, 1968, he is a Jamaican musician and leader of the band Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers, and the son of reggae icon Bob Marley and Rita Marley. He also performed the theme song for the children's cartoon series Arthur. His net worth is US $10 million.
I was born in Trenchtown, Jamaica. I was born at home. My mother liked telling me that story. My father helped deliver me.
Number 4. Sean Paul Ryan Francis Enriquez. Born January 9, 1973, and known professionally as Sean Paul, he is a Jamaican dancehall DJ, singer, and record producer. His net worth is US $11 million.
These kids, they got these two, I don't know what, it looks like small coconuts. And there's a string attached to it, and they use it, and they make a rhythm. And the rhythm sounds to me like a dancehall rhythm.
Number 3. James Chambers. Born April 1st, 1948, and known professionally as Jimmy Cliff, he is a Jamaican ska and reggae musician, multi-instrumentalist, singer, and actor. Along with Bunny Wailer, he is one of the only two living musicians to hold the Order of Merit, the highest honor that can be granted by the Jamaican government for achievements in the arts and sciences. His net worth is US $18 million.
However, the first time my mother pushed me out and I went, ah! I knew I had it.
Number 2. Orville Richard Burrell. Born October 22nd, 1968, and known mostly by his stage name Shaggy, he is a Jamaican musician, singer, and DJ. He is best known for his hit singles "Oh Carolina", "Boombastic", "It Wasn't Me", and "Angel". He was nicknamed after Shaggy from the popular children's TV show Scooby-Doo. His net worth is US $22 million. Number 1. Christopher Percy Gordon Blackwell. Chris Blackwell. Born June the 22nd, 1937, he is an English businessman and former record producer, and the founder of Island Records, which has been called one of Britain's greatest independent labels according to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, to which Blackwell was inducted in 2001. He is the single person most responsible for turning the world onto reggae music. His net worth is US $180 million. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up or leave a comment, make a suggestion or ask a question. Until then, I'm Alex. Bless.